Bella Padilla nagdadalamhati sa pagpanaw ng ama. Ibinahagi ng aktres at writer na si Bella Padilla ang pagpanaw ng kanilang ama, ayon sa kanyang Instagram post nitong Lunes, ika-28 ng Agosto. Batay sa detalye ni Bella, sumakabilang buhay ang kanyang amang si Cornelio Sullivan habang ito ay natutulog, gabi ng ika-27 ng Agosto. Life really is a series of highs and lows, ani Bella. Our dad passed away last night in his sleep and that is my only consolation in all of this. He wasn't in pain and he hopefully was dreaming of the happy times in his life. Tuldok, my sister, Sherry, told me the most beautiful thing last night. My dad loved us, his children, deeply. And he also loved himself. And that certainly is true. My dad loved life and lived his life to the fullest he could. He always knew where all the cool places were in any country he was in and the bands in bars loved him. Because he always sang along. I love the water and I dive deeply because he taught me to swim and be fearless in the water at such an early age. His ability to see a problem and think of several solutions first before reacting is something I try to practice. He never took no for an answer when he believed something was right and he made sure that everybody knew what right was. I never saw him upset, or lose his cool. Never saw him get angry or mad at anybody, in front of me. Umani naman ang pakikiramay para kay Bella mula sa kapwa celebrities at netizens. Ilan sa kanila ay sina megastar Sharon Cuneta, Cherry Pie Picache, Shasha Padilla, Vong Navarro, Tim Yap, Mariel Rodriguez Padilla, Kylie Verzosa, Vina Morales, at marami pang iba.